Okay, today we're here at Knott Farm for their Boysenberry Festival, and this is one of the items that is replacing something at Calico Tater Bites. So these are the pickle spears. Oh, kind of a bad looking one. Pickle spears. And it comes with a Boysenberry Aioli and tater tots. So. Okay, there you go. I was waiting for that salty, pickly taste to come through. It finally did. Not sure the aioli goes with the salty pickliness of the pickle spears. I think I like what they had, the sauce they had at Halloween. Oh, sorry. They had like a chipotle spicy sauce. I think that went better with these pickle spears. Although I do like the tater tots better than the fries that came with the Halloween one. They taste much better than the fries. So this is at Calico Tater Bites, and it's $12. Or it's on the meal plan, which we have the meal plan, so we got it for free, basically. So yeah, if you want to try this, this replaced the Mac and Cheese Wedges, so don't go looking for those. They don't have them anymore. But yeah, if you want to get this, though, it's only during the Boysenberry Festival, which is a couple more days. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and then click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.